Hey guys, Midwest Fishing Bros. Like I said in the last video, the Tackle Warehouse video, I had a Bass Pro order coming as well. It's not a whole lot. I think it's about 5 or 6 baits that I got. I had a coupon where if you spend $20, you get $10 off. So I went ahead and I used it, and my package just arrived, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you. I think the coupon was basically covered shipping because shipping was like $9. So basically what I got was free shipping. So okay, so here's the receipt. So I got 6 items. And all of it came out to $19.14. So go ahead and get into this. So first up we have Missile Bait, D-Bomb, and Toxic Grape. Now I went ahead and ordered these because my brother has just been killing the bass with these things. So it's kind of like a pumpkin purple flake on one side and then a purple on the other side. He's been doing really well with these around here, so I figured I might as well try them out. So I got the missile baits. I have another missile baits in here. Missile baits D-Bomb and Bruiser color. This one is pretty much like a black and blue. So black on that side and then a bluish color on this side. Okay. Next up, we have the Bass Pro Shops Tournament Series, the Bull Hog. 4.25 inches, an 8-pack in the Okeechobee Craw color. They kind of remind me of the Kinky Beaver by Reaction Innovations. And a lot of people hate on Bass Pro Shops baits and say that they're off-brands, but I mean, they work just as good as any other bait. And next we have the Yum Woolly Bug. I've never tried any of the Yum baits yet that I ordered. So this is in a 4.25 Woolly Bug in Black Blue Shadow. Looks like a pretty solid bait. So a black blue color with blue flake in there. Next up we have I didn't know I ordered a size smaller, but here's the Woolly Bug again in bream color, and this is an inch smaller, so it's a 3.25 inches instead of the 4.25. I suppose I just got it because in case the bass are biting on smaller things, but this is pretty small. And last thing I picked up is the Yum Christy Critter. This is in 4.5 inches, 4.5 inches in the green pumpkin purple flake. This bait is kind of like your brush hog or what have you. pretty nice bait. Yeah. So that is all I picked up from Bass Pro. 3 packs of Yum, Bass Pro Shops Tournament Series, and then 2 missile baits, D-bombs. So stay tuned for some more videos. Like I said in the last video, we're going to Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri next week on Thursday. We're thinking about doing some type of blog, or a vlog, I guess you'd say, a vlog during our vacation in the Ozarks. So let us know if that's something you would like to see. And thanks for watching.